Alright guys, oh man, you're not believe what I found today at my local Walmart near me. I found the new 2025 Hot Wheels, Spin Master Monster Hot Wheels, sorry. Spin Master, this is the brand new series, Blue Thunder, which is part of the electruck crew. There's the back of the card. Electruck crew, BKT truck is that one. The Megalodon Kaleidoscope. Velociraptor, which I want next. The training truck, Megalodon, chase piece again. Green Avenger, Tempestito, which I own. I'm gonna get it because I have it. Not that version, but I'm gonna get variants. The new Toro Loco casting. Same packaging, of course. Really cool. Further ado, let's go and open this. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so here it is. Look at that, guys. The blue lightning looks nice, and the yellow, like it pops. Looks like an Easter color. It reminds me of. Pink tires, gray rims and beadlocks, gray roll cage, blue chassis. Really nice. Blue Thunder. Headlight and grill printing. Blue Thunder in the front. Shiny windshield. The Monster Jam logo. Tail light printing as well. Feel the energy. Really cool, guys. I got 2 more to unbox, guys. Peace out.